Today we're going to have an excursion around West Sumba.
Not all the roads in Sumba are nicely paved asphalt. There are also some chickens here next to the road. There are a lot of rice fields on Sumba.
So the first stop of the day is the waterfall Kacura. We found these fancy looking mushrooms just next to the waterfall.
We are driving now to Ratenggaro, which is a remote village about 2 hours away from Tambolaka. These are graves of deceased family members from the village. These are the traditional houses in Sumba. The ones in Ratenggaro have one of the highest roofs on the island. You can see some of the decorations they use in their houses. These are hunting trophies, they are buffaloes, and this is some kind of rat, I think. Their traditional houses have 3 floors. The lower floor is for animals, the middle floor to live, and the top floor is where the spirits live. I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of a handbag for men, I think, but I'm not quite sure.
Sesudah menari itu baru kembali taruh di sini.
This is Pero Beach, just in front of the village. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful beach. It's very windy though today.
on the way to Waikuri Lagoon to have our lunch and picnic there.
Every time we pass a school, the children are really nice. They always say hello when you pass.
It's finally food time, and we have a really tasty looking lunch, and the view is just amazing. We are making friends, as you can see. And now we are on our way to Pantai Mandorak beach, which is supposed to be a very cute, small and beautiful beach.
It's nice to see that children are still playing outside here.
And this was our last video from our trip from Indonesia. We hope that you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more videos coming soon.